A fault code can point toward a sensor, but it does not automatically prove the sensor is bad. On a scan tool, a sensor code may say signal low, signal high, performance, or circuit range. That tells you what the ECU noticed. It does not tell you why it happened. Most sensors are part of a complete electrical circuit. The ECU may provide reference voltage and ground, then monitor a signal. A problem anywhere in that path can create the same code. The cause could be the sensor. It could also be an open wire, shorted signal, missing reference voltage, weak ground, connector problem, or a mechanical condition that makes the data unbelievable. Start with the basics. Check power, check ground, check signal. Then compare the signal to scan data and real system behavior. A fault code guides your testing. It does not replace your testing. Before replacing the part, prove what the circuit is doing. STEP Diagnostics, Guided Automotive Diagnostics.